Combustion reactions, they must have a fuel that has carbon and hydrogen in it, and I see that all three of these have carbon, hydrogen, but I see that they have the prefixes, which tells me that these are covalent reactions. And you know what, I'm just going to add that. These are all covalent reactions. Okay. What's cool about combustion reactions is you always know what the products are. The products of every combustion reaction is carbon dioxide and water. And so pretty much that makes this very straightforward. Well, unfortunately, the balancing isn't quite as straightforward. So let's prepare to do so carbon. And since these are all covalent, all I need to do is follow the prefix notation. So carbon, hydride, that's hydrogen, but the fact that it's tetra tells me that it's 4, plus O, and I know that oxygen is, Hunkelbref, a diatomic element. Reacts to form carbon, 2 oxygens, plus hydrogen, 2 O. Now at this point, everything is new. I know that I don't need to worry about neutrality, but now I need to. There's 1 carbon on the left to balance, there's 1 carbon on the right. There's 2 oxygen on the left to balance, there's 3 oxygen on the right. But actually, I'm going to look at hydrogen really quick. 4 here, 2 here. I'm going to make 2 hydrogens, so there's 4 on the left, there's 4 on the right. There's 2 on the left of oxygen, there's 2, there's 4. Oh, so if I just double this, I am balanced. Dicarbon hexahydride plus oxygen makes carbon dioxide and water. So, all right. Dicarbon, so that's C2. Hexahydride, so that's hydrogen, but 6 of them. React to form. And all the rest of the equation is going to be the same. So now I need to balance it. So there's a carbon here, or there's 2 carbons, there's only 1 here, so I'm going to 2 carbons. There's 6 hydrogens, there's only 2 here, so I'm going to make 3 on this side. There's 2 oxygens, and currently there's 7 hydrogens, or 7 oxygens. So there's 2 here and 7 here. It's an even and an odd. So I'm going to double this. I'm sorry. I'm going to put 7 here, so there's 14. And I'm going to double everything. So there's 4 carbons on the left, there's 4 carbons on the right. There's 12 carbons on the left, there's 12 carbons on the right. There's 2 oxygens so far. There's 6 plus 8 is 14, so 7. And now this is balanced. Okay, tricarbon octahydride plus oxygen reacts to form carbon dioxide and water. So carbon, but there's tri, so that's 3. H, octa, that's 8. plus water reacts to form carbon dioxide and water. All right, so there's 3 carbon on the left to balance. There's only 1 carbon on the right, so I'm going to make that. Okay, and currently there's 8 hydrogen on the left, so I'm going to make 4 here. Now comes the oxygen. There's 2 oxygen on the left. There's 4 plus 6, that's 10. So I'm going to go 5 oxygen. And now that is balanced.